Minasan konnichiwa, Express Japanese no Priya desu. Hello everyone, this is Priya from Express Japanese. Welcome to chapter 4 of this vocabulary series. In this lesson, we will learn location demonstratives koko soko asoko and kochira suchira achira. In addition, we are going to travel across the world looking at many countries in Japanese. This lesson has been summarized in this PDF. To get this handout, please leave a comment. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to tell your country name in Japanese and have simple conversations about your nationality. Also, if you have any questions about this lesson, please let us know in the comment section. それでは始めましょう。This lesson has 6 sections. If you want to skip a certain section or learn a specific thing, then you can find the timestamps in the description. Let's first see a short list of vocabulary we will be studying in this lesson.
Here,
Koko,
here,
koko,
there,
soko,
there,
soko,
over there,
asoko,
over there,
asoko,
where,
doko,
where,
doko,
here,
kochira,
here,
kochira,
there,
sochira,
there,
sochira,
over there,
achira,
over there,
achira,
where,
dochira,
where,
dochira,
map,
chizu,
map,
chizu,
country,
kuni,
country,
kuni,
world,
sekai,
world,
sekai,
capital,
shuto,
capital,
shuto,
person's origin or nationality,
shushin,
person's origin or nationality,
shushin. And now, let us do a quick recap of the words we learnt about family members in the previous lesson. For more details of the previous lesson, please go to the link provided in the description or click on the card popping on your screen.
this,
Kono,
that,
sono,
that over there,
ano,
which,
dono,
which,
dore,
woman,
onna,
man,
otoko,
adult,
otona,
girl,
onnanoko,
boy,
otokonoko,
my grandfather,
sofu,
my grandmother,
sobo,
my father,
chichi,
my mother,
haha,
my uncle,
oji,
my aunt,
oba,
my elder brother,
ani,
my elder sister,
ane,
my younger brother,
ototo,
my younger sister,
imoto,
my husband,
otto,
my wife,
tsuma,
my son,
musuko,
My daughter.
Musume.
My grandchild.
Mago.
Grandfather.
Oji-san.
Grandmother.
Oba-san.
Father.
Oto-san.
Mother.
Oka-san.
Uncle.
Oji-san.
Aunt.
Oba-san.
Elder brother.
Oni-san.
Elder sister.
One-san.
Younger brother.
Ototo-san.
Younger sister.
Imoto-san.
Husband.
Goshujin.
Wife.
Okusan.
Son.
Musuko-san.
Daughter.
Musume-san.
Grandchild.
Omago-san.
Family.
Kazoku.
Baby.
Akachan.
Child.
Kodomo.
Parents.
Ryoshin.
Siblings.
Kyodai.
Married couple.
Fufu.
My husband.
Shujin.
My wife.
Kanai.
My cousin.
Itoko. Let us now study some of the concepts in detail. Let's learn about location demonstratives first. These location demonstratives will help you to speak about a location or a place. In previous lesson, we used kore, sore, are to refer a thing. Now, when referring a place, we will be using koko, soko, asoko. And to speak about location in a more polite way, we will use kochira, suchira, achira. Well, as you have guessed it right, koko or kochira is the place where the speaker is. Soko or suchira is the place where the listener is. And asoko and achira is the place far away from both speaker and listener. Let's see some examples. Here, school is near to the speaker, so the speaker will say Koko wa gakko desu, meaning here is the school. Now, the school is near to the listener, so speaker will say Soko wa gakko desu, meaning there is the school. Last, it is away from both, so speaker would say Asoko wa gakko desu, meaning over there is the school. Now, there are slight differences between koko, soko, asoko and kochira, suchira, achira. Let's see them. One difference that we introduced earlier was about kochira, suchira, achira are a polite form of koko, soko, asoko. For example, for a simple sentence, koko wa khaige shitsu desu, we can say it in a more polite way like kochira wa khaige shitsu desu. Both of them mean here is the meeting room. The next inline difference is that koko, soko, asoko gives information only about the place. For example, koko wa wine uriba desu, meaning here is the wine department. On the other hand, kochira, suchira, achira gives information about place as well as direction. For example, kochira ma sugite kudasai. It means please go straight in this direction. So, to revise, we have learned that the politest form for here, there and over there is kochira, suchira, achira. The next level is koko, soko, asoko. And we also have a casual way where we say kochi, suchi, achi. Next, landing into today's actual topic. Let's practice Japanese names for continents and countries in it. Before that, let's see location demonstratives along with examples and commonly used grammar patterns.
Here.
ここ、ここ。ここは受付です。
Here is the reception.
ここは受付です。
Koko wa noun desu.
ここは受付です。
There.
そこ、そこ。そこに銀行があります。
There is a bank.
そこに銀行があります。
Soko ni noun ga arimasu.
そこに銀行があります。
Where.
どこ、どこ。学校はどこですか？
Where is the school?
学校はどこですか？
Noun wa doko desu ka?
学校はどこですか？
Over there.
あそこ、あそこ。銀行はあそこです。
The bank is over there.
銀行はあそこです。
Noun wa asoko desu.
銀行はあそこです。
Here.
こちら、こちら。受付はこちらです。
The reception is here.
受付はこちらです。
Noun wa kochira desu.
受付はこちらです。
There.
そちら、そちら。そちらに病院がありますか？
Is there a hospital?
そちらに病院がありますか？
Sochira ni noun ga arimasu ka?
そちらに病院がありますか？
Over there.
あちら、あちら。あちらはエレベーターです。
The elevator is over there.
あちらはエレベーターです。
Achira wa noun desu.
あちらはエレベーターです。
Where?
どちら、どちら。お国はどちらですか？
Which country are you from?
お国はどちらですか？
Noun wa dochira desu ka?
お国はどちらですか？
Capital.
首都、首都。日本の首都は東京です。
Tokyo is Japan's capital.
日本の首都は東京です。
Noun 1 no shuto wa noun 2 desu.
日本の首都は東京です。
Person's origin or nationality.
出身、出身。出身はどこですか？
Where are you from?
出身はどこですか？
Noun wa doko desu ka?
出身はどこですか？
Nation.
国、国。日本は安全な国です。
Japan is a safe country.
日本は安全な国です。
Noun 1 wa adjective plus noun 2 desu.
日本は安全な国です。
World.
世界、世界。世界は広いです。
The world is wide.
世界は広いです。
Noun wa adjective desu.
世界は広いです。
World.
世界、世界。
Asia.
アジア、アジア。
Japan.
日本、 日本
China,
中国中国
Russia,
ロシアロシア
India,
インドインド
Vietnam,
ベトナムベトナム
Thailand,
タイタイ
North Korea,
北朝鮮北朝鮮
South Korea,
韓国韓国
Indonesia,
インドネシアインドネシア
Malaysia,
マレーシアマレーシア
Philippines,
フィリピンフィリピン
Iran,
イランイラン
Pakistan,
パキスタンパキスタン
Bangladesh,
バングラデシュバングラデシュ
Nepal,
ネパルネパル
Afghanistan,
アフガニスタンアフガニスタン
Myanmar,
ミャンマーミャンマー
Taiwan,
台湾台湾
Sri Lanka,
スリランカスリランカ
Turkey,
トルコトルコ
Mongolia,
モンゴルモンゴル
Uzbekistan,
ウズベキスタンウズベキスタン
Syria,
シリアシリア
Oman,
オーマンオーマン
Cambodia,
カンボジアカンボジア
Europe,
ヨーロッパヨーロッパ
Germany,
ドイツドイツ
Italy,
イタリアイタリア
France,
フランスフランス
Spain,
スペインスペイン
Greece,
ギリシャギリシャ
Iceland,
アイスランドアイスランド
Ireland,
アイルランドアイルランド
United Kingdom,
イギリスイギリス
Finland,
Finlando, Finlando,
Norway,
Norway, Norway,
Sweden,
Sweden, Sweden,
Poland,
Polando, Polando,
Switzerland,
Swiss, Swiss,
Denmark,
Denmark, Denmark,
Czech Republic,
Checo, Checo,
Netherlands,
Oranda, Oranda,
Romania,
Rumania, Rumania,
Ukraine,
Ukraina, Ukraina,
Hungary,
Hungary, Hungary,
Belgium,
Belgi, Belgi,
Austria,
Austria, Austria,
Serbia,
Serbia, Serbia,
Belarus,
Belarusi, Belarusi,
Bulgaria,
Bulgaria, Bulgaria,
Africa,
Africa, Africa,
Egypt,
Egipto, Egipto,
Kenya,
Kenya, Kenya,
Uganda,
Uganda, Uganda,
Nigeria,
Nigeria, Nigeria,
Mali,
Mali, Mali,
Algeria,
Algeria, Algeria,
Sudan,
Sudan, Sudan,
Libya,
Libya, Libya,
Congo,
Congo, Congo,
Democratic Republic of Congo,
Congo 民主共和国、Congo 民主共和国、
South Africa,
南アフリカ、南アフリカ、
Zimbabwe,
ジンバブエ、ジンバブエ、
Tanzania,
タンザニア、タンザニア、
Angola,
アンゴラ、アンゴラ、
Mozambique,
モザンビーク、モザンビーク、
Ethiopia,
エチオピア、エチオピア、
Madagascar,
マダガスカル、マダガスカル、
Morocco.
Morocco, Morocco.
Guinea.
Guinea, Guinea.
Ghana.
Ghana, Ghana.
Australia.
Australia, Australia.
Australia.
Australia, Australia.
New Zealand.
New Zealand, New Zealand.
Papua New Guinea.
Papua New Guinea, Papua New Guinea.
South America.
Nambe, Nambe.
Colombia.
Colombia, Colombia.
Venezuela.
Venezuela, Venezuela.
Brazil.
Brazil, Brazil.
Peru.
Peru, Peru.
Ecuador.
Ecuador, Ecuador.
Bolivia.
Bolivia, Bolivia.
Chile.
Chile, Chile.
Argentina.
Argentine, Argentine.
Uruguay.
Uruguay, Uruguay.
Paraguay.
Paraguay, Paraguay.
North America.
Bangkok, Bangkok.
Canada.
Canada, Canada.
United States of America.
America, America.
Mexico.
Mexico, Mexico.
Greenland.
Greenland, Greenland. はい、よかったです。Next, we have Kaiwa time. Let us see some simple conversations using location demonstratives. We have a friends Yuki and Taro. Here, Yuki says, Sumimasen, Yubin kyoku wa doko desu ka? Meaning, excuse me, where is the post office? Taro replies, Asoko desu. Meaning, it is over there. Yuki says, Wakarimashita, domo arigatou gozaimashita. Meaning, I got it, thank you so much. And Taro says, Doitashimashite, meaning, you're welcome. Now let us see another scenario where teacher is introducing Miss Yuki to her class. Sensei, that is teacher, says, Minasan ohayou gozaimasu. Kochira wa Sato Yuki desu. Meaning, everyone, good morning. Here we have Sato Yuki. Now Yuki introduces to her class by saying, Ohayou gozaimasu. Sato Yuki desu. Shusshin wa Nihon desu. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Meaning, good morning. I'm Sato Yuki. I'm from Japan. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu means, Nice to meet you. Let's work together. And her friend in the class says, Yoroshiku onegaishimasu, meaning, nice to meet you too. Let's work together. And in our last kaiwa, we have Mr. Matt and Mr. Lee introducing themselves to each other. Let's see what they say. Matt says, Hajimemashite. Matto desu. America jin desu. Douzo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Meaning, nice to meet you. Hajimemashite is used only for the first time. I am Matt. I am American. Nice to meet you. Let's work together. Now, let's see how will Lee reply. He says, Hajimemashite. Rii desu. Chugoku jin desu. Douzo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. So he also replies like, nice to meet you. I am Lee. I am Chinese. Nice to meet you too. Let's work together. Let us now revise all the words we learned today. The list of commonly appearing countries in JLPT N5 are summarized in the handout. In this lesson, we have introduced many countries only for your reference. So please leave a comment to get the handout.
Here,
Koko,
there,
Soko,
over there,
Asoko,
where,
Doko,
here,
Kochira,
there,
Sochira,
over there,
Achira,
where,
Dochira,
map,
Chizu,
country,
Kuni,
world,
Sekai,
capital,
Shuto,
person's origin or nationality,
Shushin,
Asia,
Asia,
Japan,
Nihon,
China,
Chugoku,
Russia,
Russia,
India,
Indo,
Vietnam,
Vietnam,
Thailand,
Thai,
North Korea,
Kitachosen,
Indonesia,
Indonesia,
Malaysia,
Malaysia,
Philippines,
Philippines,
Iran,
Iran,
Pakistan,
Pakistan,
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh,
Nepal,
Nepal,
South Korea,
Hankoku,
Afghanistan,
Afghanistan,
Myanmar,
Myanmar,
Taiwan,
Taiwan,
Sri Lanka,
Sri Lanka,
Turkey,
Turko,
Mongolia,
Mongol,
Uzbekistan,
Uzbekistan,
Syria,
Syria,
Oman,
Oman,
Cambodia,
Cambodia,
Europe,
Europa,
Germany,
Deutsch,
Italy,
Italia,
France,
France,
Spain,
Spain,
Greece,
Girisha,
Iceland,
Isurando,
Ireland,
Airurando,
United Kingdom,
Igirisu,
Finland,
Finrando,
Norway,
Norway,
Sweden,
Sweden,
Poland,
Porando,
Switzerland,
Swiss,
Denmark,
Denmark,
Czech Republic,
Czeko,
Netherlands,
Uranda,
Romania,
Romania,
Austria,
Osutoria,
Serbia,
Serbia,
Belarus,
Belarusi,
Bulgaria,
Bulgaria,
Africa,
Africa,
Egypt,
Egipto,
Kenya,
Kenya,
Nigeria,
Nigeria,
Mali,
Mali,
Algeria,
Algeria,
Sudan,
Sudan,
Libya,
Libya,
Congo,
Congo,
South Africa,
Minami Africa,
Angola,
Angola,
Madagascar,
Madagascar,
Morocco,
Morocco,
Tanzania,
Tanzania,
Zimbabwe,
Zimbabwe,
Democratic Republic of Congo,
コンゴ民主共和国、
Guinea,
ギニア、
Ghana,
ガーナ、
Ethiopia,
エチオピア、
Mozambique,
モザンビーク、
Australia,
オーストラリア、
New Zealand,
ニュージーランド、
Papua New Guinea,
パプアニューギニア、
Colombia,
コロンビア、
Venezuela,
ベネズエラ、
Brazil,
ブラジル、
Peru,
ペル、
Ecuador,
エクアドル、
Bolivia,
ボリビア、
Chile,
チリ、
Argentina,
アルゼンチン、
Uruguay,
ウルグアイ、
Paraguay,
パラグアイ、
South America,
南米、
Canada,
カナダ、
Mexico,
メキシコ、
Greenland,
グリーンランド、
United States of America,
アメリカ、
North America,
米国。Hi, let's try a test together. You can pause the video at the beginning of each question and solve it by yourself. 皆さん準備はどうですか? Are you ready to test your vocabulary skills? There are just 3 questions, so let's try together. 一緒に頑張りましょうね。問題1 Question 1 Match the following words to their appropriate meanings. For example, here is cocoa. Here is Coco. Time limit to solve this question is 30 seconds. If you need more time, you can pause the video and answer all the questions. はい、時間になりましたので始めましょう。Your time starts now. Let's check the answers now. Here, Coco. Thailand, Thai. London, Rondon. China, Chiugoku. America, America. Country, Kuni. There, Sochira. Germany, Doitsu. Map, Chizu. Canada, Canada. Vietnam, Vietnam. Mondai ni. Question 2. Make a sentence using the words and a grammar pattern mentioned. Reyo mite mimashou. Let's see an example. For the words and the sentence pattern given in the example, you can make a sentence like Yonin desu, meaning 4 people. Now try this by yourself. You have 10 seconds to solve it. If you need more time, pause the video and answer by yourself. Your time starts now. Hai, kotae desu. The correct answer is Koko wa uketsuke de wa arimasen. Koko wa uketsuke de wa arimasen. Meaning, this is not reception desk. One last question. You have again 10 seconds to solve it. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video. And your time starts now. Kotae desu. The correct answer is Kochira wa basutei desu ka? Kochira wa basutei desu ka? Meaning, is this a bus stop? Is this a bus stop? Did you get all the answers right? Let us know in the comment section. Please leave a comment to get the handout of this lesson. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get the updates on new lessons. Nihongo no benkyou tanoshimimashou. Minasan, domo arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you for watching the video. Let's inspire others to learn Japanese. Want to learn family members in Japanese? Please check this video. If you want to learn Japanese numbers and number systems, then please click here. That's all for today. In the next video, we will learn about greetings in Japanese.